This is me attempting to make a cup on the pottery wheel. And this is also me failing over and over again. But I will not give up. You see, ever since I was a kid, I dreamed about making stuff on a pottery wheel. Some time ago, years later, that dream became a reality. However, my biggest ambition was to make a cup and therefore seal my future in the Pottery Hall of Fame. But what I didn't know is just how difficult this would be. I first set on this journey about a year ago when I started taking pottery lessons. I soon discovered that height was the most difficult thing to achieve on your pieces. So therefore, my first attempts became unintentional jewelry dumps, wabi-sabi pieces, and candle holders. But then I had this period when I made anything but cups, being a bit discouraged from my previous unsuccessful attempts. At some point though, I decided that enough was enough, okay? I was going to make a cup and succeed at it, even if it was gonna kill me. Okay, maybe not that extreme. My next attempt was actually going pretty well until my second to last pull, which made the entire thing really wobbly. I tried to fix it, but then it just decided to collapse. To be honest, at this point, I was ready to quit.
I can't stand it.
But then I pulled through and tried to experiment with what I had, so I let the clay be what it wanted to be and made it into this dip and chip server instead. But then it kind of died because, On this one, I was already so frustrated, I figured that if this one didn't work out, then I would be destined to make plates for the rest of my life. But I think the pressure worked in my favor this time because I finally succeeded in making a perfect mug. Or so I thought.
Are you allergic to the wet?
But that was before the disaster happened. Oh my gosh, so crazy. Now, although I sounded cheerful when I laughed, I can tell you that really tested me. After some reflection, though, I figured it would be pathetic to give up to a piece of dirt, so I came back better than before with a newfound determination to show that clay who's boss. I was holding my breath while trimming this, and I'm so happy it survived this far. Hopefully, nothing will go wrong during the firing and glazing process. So, next time you see a handmade pottery piece, please appreciate how much work went into it. Wish me luck and stay tuned for the grand reveal.